Let's have a start, guys. Let's have a start here. And let's go. Let's put down the Telegram groups. You can join my Telegram groups there. A lot of great information. And there will be more great information there too. Okay. And of course, those who do understand Malay know that I'm having a crypto course in Malay very, very soon. Very, very soon. Okay. So again, let me put this here. I need to take this out. Hey, get out of there. Get out there, ad. Okay, so the ad is not there anymore, right? Okay, the ad's not there anymore. Thank God for that. And let's silence this out. And I'm going to put to you my Telegram groups, my TikTok, and also the link to my course, which is happening on Saturday. Just go there and, I have a TikTok coming up soon at around 10 o'clock. Around 10 o'clock, okay? TikTok. .com. And yeah, I've been in Penang, so that's why we had this start today. But hey, we are still on air. No matter what, I think that's important, just being here for the consistency. And I am going to have my other Malay TikTok channel on crypto up, hopefully by next week. Hopefully by next week. Patience, patience, patience. And let's go here. And if you want to join my class next week, join my class on Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be in Bahasa, okay? My BM class on crypto on 22nd and 23rd of July. The payment link is at https toypay.com. And how is everybody today? How is everybody today? I hope that everybody is well. I'm going to start with soon. Okay, all the links are already there. And some exciting things to talk about, because I want to talk about something else, which is related to, okay, get this, which is related to Tesla and the Malaysian market. And I think this is very, very good, okay? There's something going on here. Hey, how are you guys? How is the chef? Hey, it's related to Tesla, which is really, really great. Tesla is coming to Malaysia. Are they in Thailand yet, chef? So if you want to join my BM crypto class, I'm just putting the link here on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday. Let's see where this market is going. And actually, all the targets have been met. That's my worry. Okay, that's my worry. 22nd, 23rd July at okay, you can just sign up there and pay there. It's only RM 199. And then just find me and I'll give you a link. Okay. So let us start. Let us start very, very soon. How is everyone tonight? Let's see. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let's look at all the statistics now for the market. Interesting markets nowadays. Interesting now because we met all the targets, right? So I think last week, I did say that, right? I think Tom Lee already told you guys that the market was going to 4,500. Incredibly, it did. Incredibly, it did. It's already there, which is kind of my worry now. Let's go share the screen. Okay, you guys can hear me, right? Let's go share the screen now, okay? Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I'm going to share the screen now because there's a lot of things to be shared, guys. A lot of things to be shared this week. In fact, doing it on Monday, it's kind of like more interesting because there's one day where things have happened rather than anticipating things that may or may not happen, which is never ever fun. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen now. And the first screen I'm going to share is, of course, finance.yahoo.com. Oh, let's go there. And remember, we have live TikTok at 10, okay? Where we're going to talk in Malay, unfortunately, about losses. How do you deal with losses? I know. Oh, okay, cool, guys. There it is. Okay, let's start. How is everyone today? Hope everyone is doing fine, including those in Thailand. How's the Tesla in Thailand? And afterwards, I am going to shock you guys by showing that the Tesla in Malaysia is so cheap. It's damn cheap. 54531 3603. 5969. Let's see what it is here. Okay, so Bitcoin about to go below 30. This is 1905. Look at this, 4,500 just at that line. Of course, last week, I think I already showed you guys, right, that Tom Lee already said that, hey, guess what? This thing is going to this, right? This thing is actually going to around 4,500, which it did from 4,400, right? And those who traded with me, well, you should have had a good time trading, okay? I don't know what you were doing if you didn't have a good time trading. So we have met those targets. There is the crypto total there. But let's see this now. So 4531. Okay, that's the futures. I also want to see this again. As usual, let's see the crypto fear and greed index here. Here we are. This is Bitcoin. Okay, we're at neutral. We're at neutral now. Okay, where are we now? Let's see max. Again, are we like, yeah, 50, but it's like in no man's land, you know? But this 70 is being a tough nut to crack. It didn't even go to 70. I'm kind of upset. We're now at 54. We're up here at 65. Yeah, it didn't even go to 70 now. That's not good because we want to see this continuously going higher. If it's going somewhere, okay, so that's not good. Let's see here. Where are we in terms of fear and greed index here? Okay, we're at extreme greed. No wonder the S&P 500 is really due for correction. You guys are in my private group. You know I did present some things to you that shows that the S&P is very, very extended. But the most important thing is that we now know that by following the cycle, and what a trade last week, right? Where there was already prediction that it would go to 4,500, and man, did it go to 4,500 as expected. And that's why we had good curry fish in Penang, right? Rafi Nasi Kandar. Oh, chef knows that. Great, great curry fish in Penang here. So we're at extreme greed, due for a correction. Okay. Let's see this. So this is very interesting. It's now earnings season. There's going to be a lot of earnings. Yeah, see, Tesla, Netflix, Bank earning. I love this. I love this, you know, because it's always means volatility, and volatility is where you can strike. See, Wednesday, look at that. Netflix and Tesla will be the first to report second quarter results. This is interesting. And if we see all this, let's see where Tesla is. How are they going to do? And we'll talk more about Tesla afterwards. Let's see here. if you were following the prices of Tesla they're selling in Malaysia, you say, hey, these guys, there's no way they're going to do well. I just want to see the Tesla stock price here, you know. Okay, so I'm going to see the Tesla stock price there. Netflix and Tesla. Okay, but look at this, financials on Friday. Large institutions like JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, so wow, Citigroups, which relies heavily on investment banking, saw revenues decline 1%. So the consumer is surprisingly strong in the US. Are they buying Tesla? Is that why it's like going up? I mean, Tesla has been on a tear, right? Let's go and see what Tesla stock is doing now. See investing.com. What is happening to Tesla? Turn it off, turn it off. Sure, I want to see Tesla, guys. Nah, it won't show me here. I want to find it somewhere else then. And I would like to know if Tesla is on an upturn or a downturn. But first, let's go and see what this is doing. And just one moment. Okay, there it is. Wow, 281. Awesome. This thing just keeps on going up. It scares me. Let's see charts here. Is it? Yeah, it's just going up and up and up and up. Oh, this is interesting. So you shorters must be wondering, like, when does this correct? When is this going to correct? Let's see what it's doing here, Tesla. What in the world are you doing? So that's at 281. Okay, it's taking its own sweet time coming up the charts. I want to see what NVIDIA is doing now, the leader of this. NVDA. Let's draw that. The thing in hotels is that it's always very slow. That's NVIDIA 454 was 478, right? So again, look at that. 52-week 480. Wow. Just look at that. Year to date. Ooh. Okay. Now, but we also want to know what's happening in crypto. So, we are going to earnings season, so just be very careful. I have cleared my position in the S&P, right? I am going here now. Let me go back here. And now what I want to do here is see what's happening here. Okay, Ripple SEC should be waiting first to file, could be waiting years to file an appeal for Ripple case. Well, that really went like crazy, right? So that was the big news last week when Ripple, yeah, look at Ripple, guys. When Ripple won the case against the SEC, it is not a security. Just look at that thing going up. Let's see, 1 year. Look at that. Went up to 81. Yeah, went up to 81. I was in at around 48. One position I got out of 61. The other one was at 81. But look, it has since corrected. But this is such a big victory for crypto because with this, there is hope that others are also not securities. For example, Matic. Why is Matic a security? So now I think everyone will be challenging the SEC, and the fact that it takes years for them to file it still is good, right? Ether X BNB is 242. Well, nothing much happening with BNB because they're also being sued by the SEC. Dogecoin 69, Matic 77 was like 85, right? From the 50s, Chef would know this, from the 50s. Tron Litecoins 91, so over 100. AVAX 14 was 15 something. Bitcoin Cash 244 was 320. So all of these have seemed to correct for our chart. What is performing here? 1 inch altcoins moving up. 1 inch Gala, XDC. So these are still the old coins, okay? Well, except Sui. But the rest of pretty much the old coin, Zcash, DYDX, wow, 18%. So you can see the rotation now that it is going from one set of OG coins to the next set of OG coins, okay? And if you look at this, yeah, Bitcoin dominance is still 48. We know that 50 something, 56, 58, 89, yeah, to the top. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? You know, it's still like, yeah, it's if it's going to correct, it's going to be like 58, 59, right? So again, watch this number. Watch this number, guys. You really got to watch this number. So Bitcoin is about 30 now, but will it lose 30? Let's see. Cointelegraph seems to think so. And then we'll go into a market that's, I think, is about to boom. Not Thailand, somewhere else, south of Thailand. So SEC could be waiting years. Let's see. There's a hot story here. Ron DeSantis vows to ban CBDCs. Okay, good. We don't want CBDCs. Okay. BTC traders brace for 30K loss. 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Now, you also guys have to be careful, right, about the release of Mt. Gox Bitcoin, which is coming in October. So Bitcoin, but it's heading nowhere with the multi-month. Yeah, it's just going nowhere. Little more than frustrating sense of deja vu as you wonder what it could change the trend. The problem is this: when it does this, usually it goes down. Okay, weekly close. Yeah, it's just not going anywhere. It's really not going anywhere. My God. Erratic short-term price move. The close saw little disruption, even with 30,000 support remaining unchanged. Continues to trade within a narrow mini range in place since last week. But the problem is when it does this mini range, it usually explodes somewhere. Okay. For me, it's very easy. Bulls have to retake 30.5K for me to consider closing inefficiency for them. My base case for price seek liquidity at 29.5K. That's pretty fair. It's been going nowhere, just within this range low and range high. 6 months inversion. What is this? Wow, 27,400. It's not off the table too. I do agree, because if it goes down, it will go down quite a lot. Downside escalates once we lose 29.8. Don't rush into positions, and yeah, just be patient, right? Okay, this is fine. Ongoing relative strength index printed bearish divergence. Okay, so again, nothing much, but key events this week. Okay, this is what we got to be careful of. Retail sales on Tuesday, building permit data on Wednesday, but the most important thing here is the results. Okay, really the results here. Tesla, Netflix, GSMS. So 10% of S&P reports earning. We're 10 days out from the Fed meeting. So it could lead to something extremely volatile. Jobless claims data on Thursday is going to get hot on Thursday. Okay, really get hot on Thursday. And of course, Tuesday is Tesla and Netflix. So you really got to be careful of this. We'll look at TradFi. Inverse correlation with the XY. The good thing now is that the dollar chart is down and even ringgit is up. Okay. So just be careful what's happening here. Nothing much going on, And of course, we know that, we're just waiting for BlackRock, right? You guys are waiting for BlackRock before, for a pump, and then a major dump or something. Everyone's waiting for something now. So what is this? So everyone's, yeah, it's very boring, but just be careful with this type of boringness here. We usually see a dump. I do not like this. I really don't like this. This is something I really don't like. Okay, that is not something that I really like. Okay, but I may like Tesla. Okay, I kind of like Tesla. Coco. Oh, Coco. Oh, Coco there. I have a chance to short Coco here. Okay, I'll see. Now Tesla here, look at that, 287. I want to show you why I talk about Tesla so much. I am just going to go here. I'm just going to, oh, look at that. There it is, 320, right? Oh. Lost all this last year and it's trying to recover. So let's see the earnings this week. Now, the other thing, big news about Tesla this week is this. This is major news, guys. I think that there is a stealth rally that we don't even see in one of the Southeast Asian markets, and that is Malaysia. And I think that what is going to drive this is actually Elon and Tesla. So Elon Musk had a talk with the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Anwar Ibrahim, on the operations, okay? So they're going to invest in Malaysia, and Elon Musk will come to Malaysia. Oh my God. There's a lot of stocks here that are in EV. I'm sure they will pump once they hear Elon Musk and the date is there, right? And of course, when Elon Musk lands and after Elon Musk speaks a speech, it will dump, but it's okay. It's a chance to make money. Starlink and its ability to widen internet coverage in rural areas. So Tesla is going to launch on July 20th. Hey, that's not far from now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is it Thursday? Is it Thursday? 20, 21, 20. Yeah, it's Thursday. So this is what really shocked me, okay? It's only ringgit 99,000, US 44,000. It's 48,800 in the US. So Malaysia is on the focus of developing an ecosystem and offer tax breaks to boost adoption. So, to account for 15% of total industry volume by 2030. So they really did a lot of things to really bring the price down of Tesla in the country. Look at BYD. BYD is coming. Wow, even BYD is coming in and selling its EVs in a tie-up with Sime Darby Motors. But let me show you something totally shocking. Okay, the Tesla Model Y in Malaysia is only 199. I don't know what it is in Thailand. I'm sure that it's much more expensive in Thailand. Let's take a look at this. Now, I want you to take a look at this very carefully. 199, okay? Look at that, guys. Look at that. 199 here. And look what it was before. Okay, this is funny. Let's go down here. In Singapore, it's like 453. It's double the price in Malaysia without the COE. Okay, Singaporeans are rich. Look, 17th March 2022, just 1 year ago, it was 346,000 ringgit. And now it's 199. Imagine those dealers that are stuck with the old Tesla. Oh my God, I just don't know what to do. Can you imagine that? That's total wreck. Okay, that's like a crypto wreck, right? They come in Malaysia, they negotiated a very good deal because they didn't have to pay for they were given a lot of tax breaks, and hence they are able to start this price at 199 versus 346. Man, this is like crypto getting wrecked. So now all the secondhand people are going to have to sell this at a significantly lower price. And if you look at in Malaysia, what's happening now, I will show you that after Elon had a talk with Anwar Ibrahim, our Prime Minister, the markets went up. It's just a positive flow here. Let's see how far. I was here during this week. I have something to talk about this. We're going to talk about this for a while I prepare my TLDR for that. But let's look at Bursa here. Since the other markets are so not interesting, maybe next week we'll go to the other markets. Once Bitcoin is where to go, know that we have a big resistance at 4,100 on the S&P 500. Okay, so we managed to clear 1,400. Okay, 1,411 was better. But the thing is now, there are certain very, very bullish sectors in Malaysia. Okay, I'm going to show you some stocks here. Things like solar stocks, right? Because electricity is going up here. So let's go and see solar vests that are already showing NASDAQ-like and crypto-like tendencies. Let's go look at solar vests here. Let's go look here. Look at that. Nice, right? 86.5 to 120. That's 50%. That's like a crypto type move. EWIN. This is related to NationGate, you know? Let's go here. Where's EWIN? Okay, let's go take a look at that. Oh, look at that. 125 was like 50 cents. Oh, look at that. Okay, 74, 75. Now it's almost double. Let's look at EPMSB, EP Manufacturing. EP Manufacturing. PMB, is it? Yeah, EP Manufacturing, Berhad. This is a pure play, almost a pure play EV. They make EV. Look at that. Down, 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 down 70 to over almost 110. It actually went to nearly 110, right? So you see all this actually in Malaysia. I think the mini bull run has really started. Okay, so just many exciting things to be in Malaysia. So next week I think we can start covering some Malaysian things also. Okay, so what else do we have in the news here? Okay, I have something to tell you. You know, if you're in this YouTube channel, I am putting a TLDR of really what I learned in Millionaire Mindset. But let me want to tell you something here before I go. And this is so important for you guys if you want to make money, okay? If you want to make money. And this is what I really learned here, okay? And you guys have a chance to go, but I have the benefit of going 6 years ago. I wanted to go back because I wanted to ask the instructor here, who's Matt Attram. I really listened to them. I followed them, and yeah, here I am, double millionaire or whatever you call it. And I really wanted his advice to really go to the next level where I want to go to, not where people say I should go to, right? Because I'm already there. Because when you go to Millionaire Mindset, it's like people wanting to go. This is so interesting, okay? People wanting to go here to here, and of course to the moon. I'm not at the moon yet, but I'm here, right? I'm here. So I'm saying that, hey, if I'm here already, where do I go next? And surprisingly, this is why I said this Millionaire Mindset guys, they're the real deal. When I asked him, you guys are going to be surprised, and you should go over through my TLDR. Not once did he try to sell me anything. They didn't try to sell me anything, you know. They didn't say you should join this, you should join this, you should join. No. They didn't say that. They said you should do this. Go find yourself first. You go decide first. Don't buy anything. I was quite surprised. I was like, hey, I am seriously, they're going to ask me to buy this and buy that. And I was so blown over. I'm like, hey, this guy is a real deal. And then he gave me, Shukri, I want you to do this. And I want you to make a promise to do this. And I want you to follow up with me on your activities to do this. And I said, this is great. And they didn't even try to sell me anything. That is really awesome, okay? Real deal. So since they are the real deal, I am going to give you the one thing. The one thing. The daily coach, right? So weird, right? Yeah, I know. It's so weird. Like, coach, it's so weird. Like, Dennis, coach time. Yeah, that's why I'm going. Yeah, it's nearly coach time. So the next thing that I want to teach you, this is so important, okay? Which I did without knowing that I was applying the Millionaire. You can see the Millionaire Mindset. And I think one day we're going to have a session here to explain to me what I say in my TLDR. The key of T. Harv Eker's program is passive income. It is not active income. Guys, passive income is the biggest income that you will make. And, you know, all his programs here are about getting that passive income and setting the passive income stream so that it can pay your expenses. For me, it's different. It's already the passive income is paying for my expenses and then generating wealth so that my net worth goes up. Now, here's the deal. In 2016, nobody knew what crypto was about. In 2023, in the millionaire mindset, believe it or not, crypto is a source of wealth. It is recognized as a source of wealth. Now, here's the deal. What is passive income in crypto? And here's the secret. If you guys want to be a millionaire, you guys should know this, right? It is the cryptos that we hodl, guys. It is not trading cryptos. So in the millionaire mindset model, trading is active income. Hodling, whether cryptos or stock, is passive income. I'm not talking about dividend stocks. I'm talking about going to the moon. So remember that. If you really want to make a lot of money in crypto, if you really want to make big money in crypto, you got to be ready to buy and hodl it. And then it can go up. And then there were also a lot, quite very interesting examples on crypto, which I told you guys in the private group, right? So this is so interesting, right? So again, remember for your future, passive income, crypto hodl, passive income, crypto hodl, passive income, stock hodl. And Chef is right. It is time for Coach, right? So remember that. Thank you very much. We're going to meet next week, and yeah, we'll have more. And not only are we going to cover cryptos, we're also going to cover the US markets. And finally, we're putting in some things on the Malaysian market because Elon Musk is coming to town. Elon Musk is investing in Malaysia. And I got to get Chef check. Chef, can you check the price of Tesla Model Y in Thailand? Chef has to check the price of Tesla Model Y, okay? Check it out, Chef. Tesla Model Y, yeah. Okay, so I think Malaysia is starting that thing. Yeah, no. Airdrop is also passive income. Yes, airdrop is also passive income, guys. Airdrop is also passive income. Airdrop is also passive income. Yeah. Airdrops, ambassadorships, and all that. Those are all passive incomes, and they're not taxable even in Malaysia. Hopefully it drops. Hopefully it drops, right? Hopefully it drops. DeFi. Okay, DeFi is kind of, but it's kind of dangerous. Okay, guys, let's go, guys. It's time for Croach time. Let's go. See you guys next week. Bye. Next week, we'll be back on Sunday, okay? See you guys on Sunday next week, guys. Bye.